I've been a wedding film editor for the last 10 years. I've edited over 300 films. And if I had to start from scratch, knowing what I know now, here's exactly how I learned wedding video editing, fast and effectively. Step 1, mindset. Think like a storyteller and not just an editor. Biggest mistake I made when starting out, I focused too much on the tools and not much on the story. I used to think effects, fast cuts, and weird transitions were cool, but they weren't timeless. That was the vibe we were trying to achieve. Something emotional, cinematic, and elegant. A wedding film isn't just a highlight reel, it's a love story. Every couple is unique, so before you even start editing, try to understand their story. How'd they meet, what moments matter to them, and what's their vibe. Edit with emotion in mind. Your pacing, music, and visuals should make the viewer feel nostalgic, joyful, and completely connected to the couple's journey. Your job is to take that raw footage and turn it into a film that brings people to tears, years after the wedding day. And here's a pro tip. When our couples book, we send them a questionnaire to learn their personal story. It makes a huge difference when we're editing. Step 2, master your tools, but don't overcomplicate it. You don't need fancy gear to start, but you do need to master one editing software. I love Premiere Pro. It's the industry standard, and it's great for complex edits. DaVinci Resolve is free and a high quality option, especially for color grading. Final Cut Pro is fast and efficient for quick wedding highlight reels. Step 3, learn the core wedding editing concepts. Editing weddings is not the same as editing a music video or a vlog. You need to understand the flow of the wedding day. Shots should be balanced, cinematic, and visually appealing. Every wedding needs a beginning, middle, and end. For example, in the beginning of our films, we like to show scenic shots with the bride and groom portraits. We'll mix in getting ready and those anticipation moments. In the middle, we'll have the ceremony, vows, first kiss. And in the end, we'll have reception highlights, first dance, and the send-off. And listen, sound design is everything. If you don't have crisp audio for the vows and speeches, the magic is lost. Match the pacing and music to the moment. Slow, emotional moments for the heartfelt parts, high energy for the dance floor. And be sure to check out my Edit Fast Wedding Films video for more details on this. Step 4, never stop learning and improving. Editing is a skill that you build over time. The best editors never stop improving. One of the best learning experiences we had was attending a wedding filmmaker workshop with like-minded creatives. That 2-day event taught us so much. It completely changed the way we approach storytelling, editing, and even business. Watch high-end wedding films and analyze their pacing, color grading, and shot selection. Experiment with different styles, cinematic, documentary, high energy, highlight reels, and most importantly, stay organized. Managing hours of footage can get messy. Keep learning always. Step 5, work with others and build your portfolio. You learn the most by working with experienced videographers and editors. Start as a second shooter for an editor for an established wedding filmmaker. Find a mentor. Seriously, someone who's been in this industry can cut your learning time in half. Join wedding video communities, Facebook groups, Discord channels, and network events. And here's the deal. Don't be afraid to work for free, at least for your first couple videos. Once you have solid work to show, start charging what you're worth. Step 6, make yourself more valuable. Start your own film company, whether it's wedding films or commercial. There's so much money to be made in this industry. When we left our 9-to-5s, it was the scariest career move we've ever made. But looking back on it, it was the best decision we ever made. Build a personal brand. Get a website and showcase your work on social media. Learn complementary skills, motion graphics, color grading, audio mastering. Improve client communication. Happy couples means more referrals. Understand the wedding business. Know how to price yourself and market your service effectively. Lastly, the journey is worth it. If I could tell my past self one thing, it's this. The best wedding video editors aren't the ones with the fanciest equipment. It's the ones who know how to tell a story that lasts a lifetime. So start now, learn, practice, and never stop improving. Your future clients will thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. It really means a lot. And if you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe, and also check this video out here.